Citadel Review 2025. Is it the right identity management platform for you? Citadel is gaining attention as an identity and access management platform in 2025, but is it the right fit for your business? Citadel provides authentication, single sign-on, and role-based access control. Most people get this wrong. They assume identity management is only for large enterprises, but Citadel works well for startups and mid-size companies too. You won't believe what happens next. It supports multi-factor authentication, Oath, SAML, and OpenID Connect, covering almost every modern security standard. Setting up Citadel is straightforward. You can integrate it with web apps, mobile apps, or internal tools and manage users centrally. It also provides logging, auditing, and compliance features, which are crucial for security-sensitive industries. Pricing is flexible, with free tiers for small teams and subscription plans for enterprise-level features. Platform is developer-friendly, offering a PUS and SX to streamline integration. So, is Citadel right for you? If your business needs secure authentication, scalable access control, and compliance tracking, it's an excellent choice. For personal projects or minimal security needs, it may be overkill. The surprising truth is that proper identity management isn't optional anymore. It protects your business, simplifies user access, and ensures compliance, making platforms like Citadel increasingly valuable.